Hey everybody, it's Paulie here. Got a great recipe for you today. Slaughter Food Creations. You know it's good. So we've got shrimp and a spicy garlic butter cream sauce. Super simple to make. Please check it out. Don't go away. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. So here you go. Of unsalted butter that I'm melting in our pan here. So we'll get that started. While our butter is starting to melt, I'm going to add to that some crushed red pepper flake, about a teaspoon or a little less than a teaspoon or so. Let that start releasing oils. Okay, our pepper flake's been going for about a minute or so, just about a minute. I'm going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let that sit for about 30 to 45 seconds. You can smell it. I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit more. Mix that around. Try to get all the lumps out. As much as possible. You can see we've got a nice fragrant mixture here. And to that, I'll go ahead and add a cup of heavy cream. We'll let this thicken up. Once it gets to a nice thick consistency, we'll add our 1 pound of raw, deveined, peeled shrimp. And I've got about medium size, so once we put them in, it'll only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook and get slightly pink. Okay, you can see my mixture is getting nice and creamy and thickened. I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 pound of shrimp. And if you have to add a little more liquid to the mix, you can do so. That way it doesn't get too thick. So I'm going to add some that I have in my water. I added to my one dish here. Like so. And this is a non-stick skillet I'm using here. Okay, I'm also going to go in with a little kosher salt. And we'll do a taste test here in a little bit to make sure it's got enough. Okay, our mix has been going for about 2-3 minutes. And you can see how nice and elegant that is. It's creamy, spicy. The shrimp are just perfect, nice slightly pink, and ready to plate up over our basmati rice. So here's our finished product. It is shrimp with a spicy garlic butter cream sauce over basmati rice. Hope you enjoy, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for more recipe videos.